The import function from Illustrator and Photoshop allows you to import layers from these programs as vector objects, editable text layers, as well as media. Where is the picture? Let's move to Illustrator. We see that there are text layers, vector layers, as well as media images with masks. If we specify the artboard name, it will be the name of the imported composition. Let's call it AE2. After this, we open permission. For Illustrator, we click Export. Wait a little and get a notification that the export is successful. After that, we can indicate the import duration. We set the composition to 6, 10 or 15 seconds and also the number of frames for this composition. Then we press the decomposition button. Illustrator, and we see that our data has been imported. We received vector layers, editable text layers. We see that the title of the composition is this. As we set the artboard title in Illustrator, we see that we have media fillers created, masks, also effects are created on all shape layers. Additionally, a fill effect is created with the color of this object on text layers. Additionally, on shape layers where there is a string, an additional trim pad is also created. Animation, you can also specify additional during import, checkbox, autocomp, and then all imported objects will be placed in placeholders. The import from Photoshop works in exactly the same way. We go into Photoshop, we see that we have shape layers, there are groups, there are text layers of media images. We press, click the export button, wait a little. The data will be processed. After that, we will receive a notification that the export was successful. After that, we can press the button. Photoshop and data from Photoshop are imported. Shape layers, editable text layers are imported. Smart objects, groups imported as compositions. You can also specify auto pre-comp, and all text layers and other objects will be placed in objects. The compositions depend on the sizes of these objects. Also, on text layers, on shape layers are created effect file.